Hi guys, welcome to SJY new classes. Today I will show you the lesson tissue. Tissues are group of cells that have a similar structure and act together to perform a specific function. Plant, stationary or fixed, it can't move from one place to another. Growth in limited region, need less energy to survive. It need less energy to survive. Most of the tissue are dead. The plant growth in limited region, it can't grow unlimited as human, and it need a little energy to survive. But of most of tissues are dead. Most of the plant tissue are dead cells. Animals, they can move like humans. Growth in every part. Every part will grow in animals. Animals need more energy to survive. Most of the tissue are alive. There are two types of tissues. They are plant tissue and animal tissue. In plant tissue, there are two types. One is meristematic tissue and another one is permanent tissue. In permanent tissue, what is permanent tissue? These are simple living tissue which capable of dividing and formation of new cells. They can divide and they can form the new cells present in growth region of plants. Example, a root tip, growing branches and buds of the flower. Meristematic tissue are three types: apical meristem, lateral intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. Apical meristem helps in elongation of stems and roots, means helps in growing of height. Intercalary meristem is present in inner nodes, means it helps to grow branches, helps in growing of branches. Lateral meristem helps to the growth of width of plants. Apical meristem, it is present at growing tips of stems and roots. This tissue leads to the elongation of stems and roots. This evolved in primary growth of plants. Intercalary meristem, it is present in the inner nodes. It is part of apical meristem which is left behind growth. When apical meristem helps in the plants of growth, it helps in the height. It grow height. When the plants grow height, the apical meristem is left in the stems of the plants. From there, it will grow branches. It is the intercalary meristem. Lateral meristem, it occurs along the sides of the longitudinal axis of the plant. It gives rise to the vascular tissues. It causes growth in width of stems and roots. That means the width of the stem will grow like banyan tree. This is responsible for the secondary growth. Note that vascular tissue are also called as transport tissue. Next is permanent tissue. For that you have to see the part 2 video for the permanent tissue.